So in the Kia Sportage 2015-2021, if you need to install the jack, if you need to jack up your car, you want to make sure that you do it correctly in the correct place. And you see that if you go down, there is the seal between two parts, two metal parts, so the welded two parts, two metal parts, and here are two such cavities, two signs, let's say two marks, and between these two marks you need to install the jack. Such marks are made near every wheel, so if you go to a rear wheel, you will see the same. You see these two marks, and so between these marks and this place you need to install your jack. And when you're doing this, for example, if you work with the left rear wheel, you will want to block the right front wheel, to block it with something like bricks or whatever, to prevent your car from rolling back. Don't only rely on the parking brake and the park mode and the shifter. This is very important, because if your car falls from the jack when the wheel is off, you will get issues, you will get problems with suspension.